welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest tips and inspiration on transforming your home into a stylish sanctuary. Today, we're diving into the world of Dubai furniture makeovers, where luxury meets innovation. And if you're looking for expert help, be sure to check out designfurniture.ae for top-notch services that can help you achieve the home of your dreams. 1. The essence of Dubai furniture makeovers. When we talk about Dubai furniture makeovers, we're not just talking about changing a couch or adding a few cushions. It's about reimagining your entire space, turning it into a reflection of your personality, with a touch of Dubai's opulence. And if you need expert guidance, designfurniture.ae offers personalized consultations to help you get started. 2. Top furniture trends in Dubai. So, what are the hottest furniture trends in Dubai right now? Let's break it down. First up, we have the rise of sustainable luxury. Dubai's eco-conscious homeowners are increasingly leaning towards furniture made from sustainable materials without sacrificing style. Think reclaimed wood dining tables and eco-friendly upholstery. Explore these options at designfurniture.ae. 3. Tips for a successful furniture makeover. Ready to start your own Dubai-inspired furniture makeover? Here are a few tips to keep in mind. First, always start with a plan. Take the time to visualize how each piece of furniture will fit into your space. Consider scale, color schemes, and how different textures will work together. If you need help with the planning stage, designfurniture.ae offers comprehensive design services. Why choose designfurniture.ae? Choosing the right company for your furniture makeover is crucial. Designfurniture.ae excels with its experience and customer satisfaction. Their expert craftsmen bring your vision to life, whether you want a modern, chic design or a timeless, classic look. Before and after showcase. Now, let's take a look at a real-life example. We're going to transform this space from drab to fab with a Dubai-inspired furniture makeover. Let's see how it's done. As you can see, by adding just a few signature pieces, we've completely transformed this room. The result? A luxurious, stylish space that feels both modern and timeless. To achieve similar results, visit designfurniture.ae for all your furniture needs. Transform your home today. Ready to transform your home? Visit designfurniture.ae today and take the first step towards a more stylish, comfortable, and luxurious living space. Your dream home is just a click away. Designfurniture.ae, where elegance and style come together. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming your home with style through our Dubai Furniture Makeover series. If you found our tips and ideas helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos on interior design trends, home makeovers, and furniture shopping tips.